everyone, I am your little master chef Samarth Shrivastava. Welcome to my Rudimentary Cafe. Today I make a healthy sandwich for you all named Club Sandwich Delight. To make it, friends, take a bowl, add hand curd, grind paneer, sprouts, veggies of your choice. I used cucumber, carrot, salt of your taste, pinch of pepper, seasoning. Mix it, keep aside. Now cut a bread with the help of a bowl into four equal pieces. Spread pasta sauce like this. Spread pasta sauce. Spread our stuffing. A yummy tasty slice of cheese. Cover it. Now it's time for garnishing. I garnished one already with tomato ketchup and one with Hershey's. For serving, I take salad, mayonnaise and milk bourbon smoothie. Crush a bourbon, flavor of milk. Now our smoothie is dry. Now our club sandwich is ready for serving. Taste it. Thank you. Thank you everyone.